Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Now today we will complete this chapter which we have started, and the name of the chapter key elements of democratic government. And after that we will try to solve some questions and their answers. Equality and justice. One of the key ideas of a democratic government is its commitment to equality and justice. That means equality and justice must be there in a democratic government. And equality and justice are inseparable as light and shadow. They are inseparable. Similarly, equality and justice are inseparable. So the earlier practice of untouchability is now banned by law. This group of people were denied education, transport or medical facilities, and even the chance to offer prayers. That means these untouchables who were considered actually untouchables or Dalits. They were not allowed for any, that means they were not allowed for any education, transport or even medical facilities were not provided to them. Even they didn't get the chance to offer their prayers. Dr. Ambedkar, whom we have read about earlier in this book, and many others like him, realized that such practices must not continue and that justice can only be achieved when people are treated equally. So this line is very important, that we can get justice only when we all are treated equally. The government also recognizes this and makes special provisions for groups within society that are unequal. For instance, in our society there is a general tendency to value and care for the boy child more than the girl child, though nowadays it is not that much prevalent also in our society. This means that society does not value the girl and boy child equally, and this is unjust. Might be these things are still prevalent in remote villages of India, but I don't think that in the society where we live, it is existing any longer. But still then somewhere might be it is still prevalent, and might be it is existing in the society where we live, but we are not able to identify or we are not able to know it properly. So in this context, the government steps to promote justice by providing special provisions that can enable girls to overcome the injustice that they are subjected to. Thus, it is possible that fees for girls might be waived or lowered in government schools or colleges. This initiative is taken in most of the government schools, that either the fees for the girls are waived or lowered in most of the colleges or schools run by the government. So children, with this we have completed this chapter, and today we will see some questions and their answers. So one question already I have written on board. You can see along with the answer. I'm moving aside so that you can check it properly. So what do you mean by apartheid and how was it practiced in South Africa? So the answer reads like this. Apartheid means separation on the basis of race, full stop. I know some sort of shadow is coming in the middle. That's why I'm reading the answer properly. You check it. And you just while writing down the answers, you must listen what I am saying. Apartheid means separation on the basis of race, full stop. South African people were divided into white, comma, black, comma, Indian and colored races, full stop. According to the law, these races were not allowed to mingle with each other, comma, to live near each other, or even to use common facilities, full stop. I repeat the answer. Apartheid means separation on the basis of race, full stop. South African people were divided into white, comma, black, comma, Indian and colored races, full stop. According to the law, comma, these races were not allowed to mingle with each other, to live near each other, or even to use common facilities. Okay, children, now wait. Let me just erase the board and write down the next question and the answer. So the next question, sorry, I think it is the camera is not working, children, properly. So I have to prepare another video regarding this question answers. Only question number 1 we have written, and 2, 3, 4. That means 3 more questions and their answers are left. So I will try to prepare another video where you will get those questions along with their answers. I think some sort of problem is there in the camera, that's why my picture has become the still picture. Sorry children, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay.